inspiration po. Wala akong nakikita may pinapahanap siya na anumang bagay, like dokumento or kung ano man. So, for me, the flashlight symbolize you to move forward.
What happened to your monster truck?
A big one car.
You fixed it? You fixed your monster truck?
No,
So what are you doing?
look, a busy car.
So stand up. Oh, dirty. Oh, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Flashlight.
Kaon na mo din. No, 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 no. No.